Hi, I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Josh.
And we are from the YouTube channel, The Freedom Theory.
And today we're going to be giving you a tour of our 2004 renovated Colorado fifth wheel.
So let's go ahead inside.
This fifth wheel is a rear living model. In the front there's a master bedroom. The living space is here in the back. This fifth wheel is 33 feet of living space. It's 36 feet from the bumper up to the kingpin, and it weighs about 14,000 pounds loaded. So we tow this with the Ram 3500 diesel dually.
So what we really like about this RV is how open it is. So when you first walk in, I have a coat rack here. I've got a shoe rack. I have our map, which I love because it's not stuck to the RV like those stickers. So whenever you have a new state, you simply scratch it off and then you have this beautiful map. So we're slowly getting there, but after 3 years, we want to definitely get up this way this summer and mark off some of those states. Stepping over into our big living room slide, this RV does have 3 slide outs. Our last RV had 1, and we're very grateful to have 3 slide outs. Over here we have my workspace, and this is a really cool table because there's both sides that become leaves. So when we're traveling, I can go ahead and lower this down, and then it's easy for us to actually walk in between these 2 slides. So we really like that feature that we can walk in between them and still get to everything we need even when we're boondocking. So a little side note, I'm 31 weeks pregnant, and a funny thing about this RV, when we were taking out the original couch that was located here, a baby bottle fell out. And a lot of people ask what came first, the baby or the RV? And the RV came first, but we had this really good feeling that it meant that we were going to be expanding our family. So one of the reasons we got a bigger RV is because we planned to grow our family. So that's kind of a fun little side note, but we did change out the couch. We had this in our previous rig, and it is an electric recliner. We love it so much. It's nice to be comfy and cozy and watch a movie in the evening. So we're back in the rear living area. I've actually added a futon back here so that my mom can come stay with us and my family and friends. We also have the bed for the dog, but this is the rear living area, hence the name 33RL for this Colorado.
And over here in the opposing slide is a built-in desk, which we absolutely love. Our previous RV had converted the bunk room into an office space. I do work full-time from the road, so I definitely need my computer equipment. There's 3 laptops here. There's another one back here. And then my 2 monitors, my tablet and my phone. We have a 42-inch TV. This being a 2004, there was a huge TV back here. We took it out and were able to convert all of this to storage space for electronics and things like that. And this is the area that I live in for 40+ hours a week.
We are now in the kitchen, and this is my favorite place in the RV. I love to cook, I love to bake, and I cook about 2 to 3 meals a day. So I'm in here a lot. We have added a leaf and added a stainless steel sink and made this to our liking. I actually have a full tour of this up on our channel if you'd like to check that out. Oh, now we're gonna go ahead back to the bathroom and also our bedroom.
This is the master bedroom. This does have a queen size bed, which was a little bit of a challenge because we loved our king size bed that we've always had back in our sticks and brick and in our previous fifth wheel. But we did go to a queen size bed. It is in a slide, which is nice because we're able to walk around it at least partially and get to the back closet and things.
Our bathroom, it kind of has an open floor concept as well. We have the vanity that's out here in the bedroom, and then our shower, and we have all kinds of tricks and tips on how to make that super easy. Over here we have our bathroom, and you can see we actually have a composting toilet that we built, and that has worked really well for us for the last year and a half. Over here we have our closet that Josh and I share, and that was a little bit of adjustment. I have a lot of clothes. I had to get rid of a lot of clothes, so Josh says he has this much of the closet and then I have the rest, which is a fair assessment. Back here we have even more storage space, which is insane. 2 little shelving units right here, and then we've got 4 drawers, and then this is actually a work in progress. This is going to be our son's closet, so I have been working on that tirelessly to get that all organized and ready for his due date, which is in February.
So that concludes the tour of our home. We hope that you've enjoyed seeing it as much as we've enjoyed living in it, which is quite a bit. We'd also love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, or if you just want to share your story, leave it in the comments below. Let us know what type of rig you have, or if you don't have one yet, let us know what type you're buying.
And if you want to see more of our adventures, you can head over to our YouTube channel. It is The Freedom Theory, and you can find us on Facebook and Instagram, also at The Freedom Theory, and on our blog, thefreedomtheory.com. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, don't forget to live simply,
Dream differently,
and find your freedom. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.